Meet the future of your desktop, a beautifully integrated workspace-aware assistant. Watch how Joanium seamlessly bridges the gap between conversation and execution. Powered by Gemini, your assistant goes beyond simple chat. Take full control of your workflow by building custom, autonomous agents tailored to your exact needs. Experience seamless version control with Joanium's native Git integration. Check your repository status with a single click to instantly review modified files without leaving your workspace. Unlock the full potential of your assistant with the Joanium Marketplace. Browse and install an ever-growing library of community-made skills to supercharge your workflow, from advanced coding frameworks to specialized security protocols. Want a completely different conversational dynamic? Seamlessly switch to the Personas tab to transform how your AI thinks, speaks, and interacts. It is ultimate customization, letting you tailor your workspace exactly to your needs with just a single click. Gain unprecedented visibility into your AI ecosystem with the comprehensive usage dashboard. Track millions of tokens, message counts, and active streaks at a single glance. Seamlessly integrated directly into your workspace. No context switching, no external apps, just instant native access to the web right from your AI command center. Joanium connects directly to your favorite communication channels, letting you interact with your agent from anywhere. Supercharge your workflow with over 30 native connectors, seamlessly integrating tools like GitHub, Jira, and Google Workspace directly into your command center. Never be locked into a single ecosystem. Switch instantly between 28 premium, open source, and local AI providers. And with an extensive library of custom/commands, you can instantly alter your agent's behavior, tone, and actions with a single keystroke. This is not another chat interface. This is your command center. This is Joanium.